Hello! Welcome back, my beautiful language warriors. Or welcome for the first time if this is your first video. If that is the case, oh my god, you have missed a lot, like almost all the jokes. But no worries, I am so happy you're here. Good job! Today, we are talking about greetings. Today, we are talking about something very serious. Something so important, something that can make the difference between sounding like a real person and sounding like an ancient GPS robot that needs a software update. Yes. Our topic is greetings. How to say hello. But like how to really say hello. You see, your English book, your teacher, maybe even your very smart cat taught you to say this. Hello, how are you? And you learn to answer. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Yeah. It is so polite, so perfect, so completely robotic. Nobody talks like this. I mean, maybe the Queen of England talks to her butler like this? Maybe. But you are not the Queen of England or a butler, probably. So, let's begin. Buckle up, because it's going to be fun, weird, and just maybe emotionally confusing. Okay, imagine this. You see a person. You smile, you open your mouth, and you say, "Hello, how are you?" Ding, ding, ding! Congratulations! You now sound like a polite but emotionless robot from 1998. Now, listen. Hello, how are you is not wrong. It's fine. It's polite. But let's be honest. No one in the history of Mondays has ever wanted to answer that question seriously. You say, "How are you?" They say, "Fine." You say, "Cool." And then silence. Like awkward elevator silence. So what do real humans actually say? Let me introduce you to the magic of natural greetings. Now repeat after me. Hey, what's up? Again. Hey, what's up? Yes, you're starting to sound like someone who has seen another human before. Or try this one. How's it going? Again. How's it going? Whoa, now you sound like you own a skateboard. And another one. What's going on? One more time. What's going on? See? You're unstoppable. You're practically bilingual now. I know what you're thinking. But teacher, what if I say, "What's up?" and someone says, "Not much. You?" And then I panic and forget my own name? Calm down, legend. This is why we're here. Let's break it down. So you say, "What's up?" And they say, "Not much. You?" Now what do you say? Easy. You say, "Same." Or, "Just chillin'." Or if you're feeling extra spicy, "Livin' the dream." Is it true? No. Are you actually chilling? Also, no. But this is small talk, not therapy. Let's practice, okay? I say, "What's up?" You say, did you say, "Not much"? You? Good job! Now I say, "Just chillin'." See? That's a conversation. Not deep, but better than fine. Now let's make things a little spicier. Let's add intonation. That means your voice. Say, "How's it going?" But say it like your cat just learned to talk and you're a little shocked. "How's it going?" Good! That's friendly, not robotic. Now say, "What's going on?" But say it like you're 10% confused and 90% curious. What's going on? Perfect. Now you sound like a local. Your friends see you in the street. They say, "How's it going?" You say, you know, "Still alive." Congratulations. You just made a joke and avoided awkward silence. You're basically fluent. Now it's your turn. Look around you. Think of someone you know. What greeting would you use? Say it out loud. Don't worry. People will just think you're practicing for a job at Google Translate. Say, hey, what's up? Now say, how's it going? Now, what's going on? Try all three. Oh, you're smiling now. That's because you're starting to sound natural. And your brain is like, whoa, I know English. As you see, today we learned that hello, how are you is fine, but boring. What's up? How's it going? And what's going on? Sound more natural. You don't need deep answers. Just say, not much. You? Just chillin'. Still alive. Voice and tone are important. Be friendly. In English, greetings are not about deep feelings. They're like social passwords. Say the right thing, get in the club, don't say fine 37 times in a row. Watch this video one more time tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow, not one day. Why? Because repetition is the key to success. Ask any toddler who learned to say no 500 times a day. You did amazing today. I'm proud of you. You came here to improve your English. I know that's not easy, but you're doing it well. You're a legend. After this video, go out there and use one new greeting with a real human. Or a cat. Or your mirror. Just say, hey, what's up? Or, how's it going? And smile. You'll feel powerful, you'll feel cool. You might even get a coffee discount. Who knows? And now, I want to hear from you. Drop it in the comments. What greeting do you use the most? Or better, can you give me 3 funny answers to what's up? Let's make each other laugh and learn. I'll read them, I'll laugh, but I promise I won't judge them. I'll see you in the next video, where we will go even deeper into speaking like a real human being and not a suspicious robot. Until then, keep learning, keep laughing, and please, please never say, fine, thanks, again. Oh, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Or else a very polite robot will visit you in your dreams and ask you, how are you? Over and over again. Or I'll send you 37 daily emails that just say, how are you, until you cry. I am about to leave. But wait. You didn't hit the like button, did you? If you don't, I will appear in your closet and make you study English. See you in the next one. Bye for now.